let us see what are the features of C language. Why C became so famous, because C is very simple language. It is very easy to understand as well as to implement. First, make the math clear that C is difficult. C is actually very basic and a very simple language. It is machine independent and portable. Any kind of desktop you take, any kind of laptop you take, any kind of Mac you take, C language will work over there. So it is machine independent and portable language, because the source code can be copied and it can be pasted in any kind of program, whether it may be 32-bit, 64-bit, 16-bit, any kind of bit program. C language, the basic C language will work on any kind of program. So there's a mid-level programming language is there. It is a mid-level. I told you, from low level and high level there is a mid-level programming language. So it is very compatible for both computer as well as user to undergo. It's a structured programming language, since in the form of structures or in the form of procedures the codes are written, and when the codes are called they are executed just like structures, just like procedures, they are executed. That's why it has got a rich library. It contains many header files such like studio.h, conio.h. Many of the header files are there, which it contains. It's a very rich library of basic programming. At that point of time it had a very rich library. Then there is a good memory management done by C language. And afterwards, uh, C language has a basic ability that it has got very fast speed for the execution purpose. Fast speed of execution is there. And this facility, the pointers and recursions, has really revolutionized C language than any other different basic language which is available that years, because pointers played a very important role, as well as recursion to recall and extendable. So these three are the good features of C language. We'll see in the future slides how we can work with pointers as well as recursion as well as extendable. So this is nothing but about the C language. Let us see the first basic program of the C language. It contains, first you have to uh, you first download the C program from internet. And when you run this program, if you have to write this is nothing but the basic code which we have written over here is nothing but firstly there is a hash include, and here in the angular brackets, it is written stdio.h. ST stands for standard uh, directory. D stands for directory of I and O. I for input and O for output. So it is nothing but the standard directory for input and output. So now hash include means it is getting calling that functions, calling this header directory. Header directory will contain all the functions written in that, so that it can be able to execute uh, the main function which is here. The function always contains the angular bracket, and afterwards the program is there. you know this get ch is also a function where some source code is available in this standard header directory. This main source code is also available in standard header directory. And this basic files include conio. This is another header file, conio, conio.h. These are both the header files which are used by the programmers to understand, to write the C language. It is mandatory actually to use this both programs, both the header files, basically studio.h as well as conio.h, in order to make the good programming. So hope you understood this. We'll see the next slide for we'll see the next slide for the more information.